Okay, today we're gonna take a tour of this new foreclosure that I just received today. Got the new assignment, came over here. Gonna check it out. So this is the first time I've walked through this house, and this is a major little fixer-upper, but let's see what kind of potential it has. Okay, so it looks like they converted a garage at one point. But you've got some roof damage here on the left side of the house. Of course, it's gonna need a roof. All right, that's given. Yeah, this is the old little garage conversion here. This room's just set up. You got some moisture and some mold in here. It just needs to be re-gutted. I mean, probably redone. So here's your little inside laundry room. It's really dark in here. They got it boarded up and there's no power, but. All right, so you got a total gut job on the kitchen. Nice. There's your slider to the back. It's got a nice little open area. You got your little den living room area here. Once again, you got busted windows in the front. Okay, so this is a 4th bedroom, but I'm gonna show you the smallest bedroom I've ever seen, I think, in my life. Look at this. Oh. I mean, this is so small, you've got to literally leave this room to change your mind. I'm gonna have to get the measurements, but I cannot believe how small this room is. Look, there's the wall, there's the wall. I mean, it might be 6 feet wide, 7 feet wide maybe. Okay, so there's your old ancient HVAC system. I mean, so far this is a pretty good rehab project, pretty typical. But I guess a couple bonuses would be, you do have some newer sliders in some of the windows, so that's a bonus. You already have ductwork in place throughout the house, so your AC upgrade won't be near as expensive. Well, you need a gut job on the bathroom, that's for sure. Ugh. Purple tile. Yeah, there's a chair for help. Okay, so that bathroom's gotta be gutted. Here's one of your other bedrooms with your half bath. Okay, so this half bath needs to be redone, but I mean, there's not much to it, there's not much space. This room really just needs paint. You've got 2 newer windows in here. Another bedroom. Oh, okay, that's nice. An actual rat's nest. So here's your panel. It is circuit breakers. I haven't looked at the electrical. I don't know if there's any aluminum wiring at all. I don't remember the age of the house, so I'm not even sure, but the outlets do look like they're grounded. There are 3 plug outlets, so, okay. But that's really it. I mean, that's the inside. It's gonna have to be bought pretty cheap, but great investment area of town, great rental property. Like I said, these concrete block houses, I mean, they do rehab real nice. You made it look real cute. You got these nice crepe myrtles here in the front, but you do need some branch trimming. Yep. Okay, well, here's another foreclosure. We'll see how long this takes before it hits the market. I don't know the status. I honestly don't know if it's been foreclosed on or not or yet, because we do have a stoppage on foreclosures here in Florida. So I'm gonna check the status. But one question a lot of people ask me, like right now, so say this house hasn't been foreclosed on, right? Well, it's been rekeyed. At least the side door's been rekeyed. It's been boarded up. The windows have been boarded up. The busted sliders have been boarded up, and the side doors have been rekeyed. A lot of people don't understand why or how this could happen. It's simply because in every mortgage, there is a clause that gives the servicer the right to protect the property if they find it deemed necessary, or vacant, or in neglect. So when they do an evaluation or a BPO on one of these properties and they determine that it's vacant, then they're gonna rekey it and they're gonna maintain the outside. That's why you see the grass cut. But that's why you don't see on the inside, the carpet's still in there, the glass is still on the floor. They're not gonna do anything on the interior. They're only gonna maintain the outside and try to keep the property from deteriorating anymore. That's why there's a tarp on the roof too. So a little bit of lesson for you, but every mortgage has it. And it does give the servicer the right, the legal right to not take possession of the property, but protect the property. That's why you don't see them rekey the front door. I just opened it, but anyway. All right, if you have any questions about foreclosures, investing, buying houses, selling houses, whatever it might be, please give me a call, send me an email. Be glad to help. Appreciate it. Have a great day.